Hello traders, so again welcome back to a new video. So today I'm going to share you a wonderful strategy, and also this one is very common in the market. You will get the opportunities very fast. That's the main advantage of this particular strategy. So we can discuss. The name of this strategy is called double engulfing strategy, okay, or dual engulfing strategy. So here we can take from here we can see that it's simple concept. Okay, this one is no like any complicated method. It's very simple concept. So here we can see that here there is a bullish engulfing candle. Like here we can treat this one like a bullish engulfing candle, and after that we want a retracement candle. Okay, retracement candle should be 1 or 2. Okay, 2 retracement candle, then that one also, that's okay, we can take that one. Here we can see that it's a bullish engulfing that, and after that just wait, we can take from here, that should be more good. So here we can see there is a bullish engulfing. I will tell you two different concepts. Okay, so here it's a bullish engulfing candle, and after this engulfing, here we can see it's another green candle. This one is not compulsory, but the first engulfing is compulsory. Here we want a bullish engulfing candle, and sometime in front of seeing this green candle we can directly expect a retracement red candle. Okay, that's not a problem, but here we can see it's again a bullish candle, and after that we can see a retracement candle. So here we can see this one is a retracement candle, and this one should be sometimes more than one candle. Okay, if it's 2 red candle, then if it close inside of this wick of the first retracement candle, and then this one also we can consider like our trading setup. Okay, so the concept is very simple. We want 2 engulfing candles continuously. Here we can see that, just wait, here we can see that say bullish engulfing candle, and after we can see suddenly a bearish retracement candle, and again a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, simply the concept is this candle, I mean after this retracement, the next green candle should be an engulfing candle. Okay, so here we can see it's our first engulfing candle, and after that we can see another continuation candle. This one is not compulsory. I'm again telling you, this one is not compulsory. Here we can expect direct retracement red candle also, but here it made a continuation candle, that's it. And we can see it's a retracement red candle, and again another green engulfing candle. So now it fulfill our conditions with double engulfing. Okay, first engulfing, and after retracement again an engulfing candle. So here we can place a call option, and that will be a winning trade. Okay, so that's the concept here. So here I will tell you one major thing. For example, after I told you that 1 or 2 retracement is okay, right? If the second retracement red candle cross the wick of the first red candle, and after you are seeing an engulfing, then don't consider that one. Okay, because if the second red candle closed inside of this wick, then it showed the weakness of sellers. Okay, assume that it closed inside of that wick like this, and it shows the weakness of sellers. And if you find a green candle after that, after a green engulfing, which indicate that now the sellers become very weak and bullish engulfing, and we already saw an engulfing here, so it's a double engulfing strategy. So in this candle we can place a call option. Okay, sorry, here in this candle that we can place a call option, because this one is our confirmation candle. Okay, so I expect this one is clear, and here we can take from here. Okay, here after this red candle we can see it's a bullish engulfing candle, right? But here directly we can expect, we can see a seller's candle directly, the retracement candle formed here, right? Here after the bullish engulfing, it's again a continuation candle, but here there is no continuation candle because of this downtrend. So we can see it's a first engulfing candle, after a retracement candle, again a engulfing candle. Okay, again an engulfing candle, and you can see that it's a confirmation candle. Here we can see one error candle. This one is common, like no need to worry. But if your retracement candle, assume that if your retracement candle is an engulfing candle like this, then here after seeing this red engulfing, don't place a call option here. But if it's a weak candle like this, then we can consider this one like an engulfing candle. There is no problem. Okay, but the structure should be like moving an upside. Okay, here also the structure is moving like an upside, but if assume that if this one is a red engulfing candle, then the structure changed, right? The structure changed. So we can see that after this bullish engulfing, it start to moving like here. Okay, but suddenly if you found an engulfing candle, then the structure changed, like, okay, so don't take such engulfing candle. Okay, if your retracement red candle, I am telling the case of a bullish trading setup. So if your retracement red candle is an engulfing like this, then don't place a call option after that. Don't consider that like an error candle. Okay, and the main advantage of this particular strategy is, if you found one opportunity, we can expect more opportunity. Like suddenly we may chance to get more and more opportunity with a limited time. Here we can see here it's a right trading setup. Okay, here bullish engulfing, bearish retracement candle, and again a confirmation candle. So it's an error candle, so we can easily apply one step over martingale here. But you can easily avoid these lows. I will tell you that. Here we can see that where the confirmation candle closed, it closed at the round number, right? So simply you have to check that your confirmation candle is closed at the round number level, then we can expect one retracement candle. That's common. Okay, so in my opinion, if your confirmation candle closed at any of the resistance area or the round number area, then wait for one error candle and you can directly place a call option in this candle. Okay, so that will be a winning trade. So I expect this is clear. I mean, the concept is very clear. It's very easy to understand. Okay, so here we can check another opportunity. So here we can see that it's a bullish engulfing. Okay, this green candle completely covered, like we can see it's a red candle, and after that we can see it's a bullish engulfing candle, again a retracement retracement red candle, and again a confirmation candle, right? Again a confirmation candle, and in this candle that we can place a call option. But you may chance to think that the one is closed at the round number level, right? Okay, so here we can place a call option because already it retested and we can see a seller's candle. Okay, so again it's a confirmation candle, so we can go with the buyers here. So if you have doubts here, then it's better to avoid. No problem, the market will give you more opportunities. The market is there and that will definitely give you more opportunity. So here if I place, then definitely I will place a call option here because I already saw seller's entry. Already the market respected the round number. Already it made a bearish retracement candle here. Okay, and this one was a weak candle. Again I am seeing a green confirmation engulfing candle, so it's a double engulfing strategy. And also the after this downtrend the market reversed, so we can expect an uptrend here. So everything is supportive to the buyers, so after that we can place a call option here, right? So and the next one we can take from here, like here it's a bullish engulfing, and after a continuation candle, again a retracement candle, and after that again a bullish candle, and here we can place a call option. Okay, so It's simple strategy. So, and also this one is very effective. And the main thing that you have to consider while trading, for example, this is very important. So after these bullish engulfing candle, so it's a first engulfing, right? It's a first engulfing, and this one is a second engulfing. Sometimes the confirmation candle like close like this, I mean that will be the exact same size of this bearish candle. I mean the bullish engulfing, wait, I'll show you that. So this one is a retracement candle and this is a confirmation candle, right? Sometimes the confirmation green candle should be the same size of this previous red color retracement candle. For example, I'll show you that. Just wait. So here we can see that it's our first engulfing and it's a retracement candle and it's an engulfing confirmation. So assume that this is our confirmation candle, right? So here the size of this engulfing should be like this. It's same size of this red candle, then don't consider that like an engulfing. This one may chance to confuse you. If it's the same size, if it's looking like the same size, then don't treat that like an engulfing candle. Definitely you will lose if you again place a call option here. In those situations, it's a 50% probability, so better to avoid. Okay, don't trade. So here that we can discuss a bearish trading opportunity. I'll show you that it's a engulfing. Here we can see it's a bearish engulfing candle, and after one retracement candle and again a confirmation candle, it's a confirmation red candle and one green candle. Okay, one green candle, and this one can treat it like an error candle, but the problem is this one is an engulfing candle. I told you that if you are seeing the retracement candle like an engulfing, then don't place a put option here. And now I am telling the case of the seller's trading opportunity. Okay, previously we discussed bullish trading setup, and now I am going to tell you the bearish trading setup. So the concept is very simple. It's a bearish engulfing candle and it's a retracement green candle, again a confirmation red candle. So here we can see after this confirmation we can see it's an error candle. Okay, it's an error candle, right? So after this I told you that if your error candle is like an engulfing, then don't place a continuation trade here. Here the continuation trade is seller's trading opportunity, right? So here we can't place a put option because of this bullish engulfing as a retracement candle. If it's a weak green candle when compared to the previous one, if it's a weak green candle, then we can place a put option here. There is no problem, that will be a winning trade. But here we can, our trade was win. It's only because of this round number, otherwise that will directly go up because of this engulfing. So I expect this is clear. Again, okay, once more I will explain you the bearish trading setup. We already deeply discussed the bullish trading setup, so now I'm going to again once more. Here after this sellers engulfing, we can see bullish retracement candle. So it's a first engulfing, right? It's a first engulfing, and this one is a second engulfing. Okay, so based on a strategy, after the first engulfing we want a retracement candle. The retracement is not compulsory. Sometimes the continuation candle will form like this, like here, I mean like this one. So after this retracement, again we can see a seller's candle. So this one is our confirmation candle. Okay, this one is our confirmation candle. Mostly if you are fine, just I will tell you one more thing, that after your first engulfing, if your second candle is not a continuation like this, here we can see it's a first engulfing and it's a continuation candle, but here it's a first engulfing, it's a continuation candle, like it's a retracement candle. Suddenly a retracement come, right? But here it was a continuation. So here after this engulfing, it's a retracement, right? So this one is also very important, so you can easily avoid the lows. So after your first engulfing, if the second candle is a retracement like this, then after seeing your confirmation red, then also you can expect a retracement candle. So in this situation, it's better to wait for a retracement candle and directly you can place a trade here. So here I expect this concept is clear. So here it's a bullish engulfing, and after that we can see a bearish retracement candle. But in this situation, after bullish engulfing, this was a continuation candle, right? This was a continuation, but here after this bullish engulfing, this was a retracement candle, and after that again a second engulfing candle. So here also it is the second engulfing candle. This one is a second engulfing candle, but here it's an error candle, and after that bullish entry. But here it's a bias directly went up. So simply the concept is, just wait, I will show you that. So after a first engulfing candle, if there is no continuation green candle, if you are seeing a retracement candle, okay, then after your second engulfing, then also we can expect a retracement candle. So here after seeing your second engulfing candle, just wait for a retracement candle, and after you can place a call option. And here also you can see that it's a bearish engulfing candle, but in front of seeing a continuation candle, I am seeing a retracement candle. So after retracement candle, again a seller's candle, I mean the second engulfing phase. So after that, here there is no continuation red candle, so here also we can expect one error candle. Simply the one error candle is forming in this kind of situation. The situation is after your first engulfing, if you are seeing a retracement candle, if the second candle is a retracement, here also first engulfing, the second candle is a retracement. So after a confirmation candle, again one error. So here also after a confirmation candle, a one error candle. And here we can take here it's a first engulfing and continuation candle. Here there is no retracement candle. So after the second engulfing, it's directly went up without making an error candle. Okay, so in this kind of situation, better to wait for error candle, and after you can place trade. That's it. And here we can't trade because it's an engulfing. The retracement was an engulfing, so we can't trade here. So I expect this is clear. So by discussing the next example, you will more clear. Okay, you will get more clear. Don't worry about it. Maybe some people have still doubt about the error case. Okay, we can discuss the next example after watching this one, that you will get more clear. So here we can see, we can discuss from here. Here we can see that it's a bullish engulfing candle, right? It's a bullish engulfing candle, and after we can see a continuation candle. Here there is no retracement. Okay, so after that we can see that it's a red candle as a retracement candle. So here it formed two red candle, but I told you that if the second red candle closed inside of the wick, then we can take that one. Here the exact condition we can see here. So after that, another bullish engulfing candle. So here there is no retracement candle, so here we can directly place a call option. And sometimes in this situation also retracement will come because of hitting some levels, but most of the time this one will go up like this. And I expect this is clear, this concept is clear. So we can discuss another example. And one more thing, that here we can see two retracement candle, right? If we are seeing more than three retracement candle also we can consider, there is no problem. But if it's like form in a narrow area like this, then we can take. If it's in form in a wide area, then we can't consider that. Like for example, if the retracement candle is like this, then if it's very close to the first engulfing level, then we can't take that one. For example, if the closing point is is almost to this level, and if the red candle also form like this, then if you are seeing an engulfing, then it's better to avoid. Okay, that will work, mostly that will work, but I don't suggest you to use. So here again once more, it's a perfect example. It's our first bullish engulfing candle, and after that it's a continuation candle and one error candle, again an error candle, and it was unable to cross this low and it closed inside of this wick. Then if you are seeing a confirmation candle, you can take this one as our confirmation candle and you can place a call option here. And just look at the left side also. If there is any breakout and if you are finding a level like this, then this one, the chances of failure is near to 0%. Okay, most of the time, or 99.99% of the time, this one will go up. Okay, so I expect so here if you are seeing a level like this, it's like an extra advantage for this trading setup. Okay, so we can expect I expect this is clear. So I will show you one more example, and another thing, here it's an engulfing, right? And if you are seeing so many green candle, and after if you are found assume that after this red candle it's another green engulfing like this, then we can't take this one as our trading setup, because it's we are seeing after so many candles, don't consider this one. If you are seeing after one or two candles, then we can consider this like an engulfing, like I mean the second engulfing or the double engulfing strategy. But if you are seeing an engulfing and after so many green candle, or after a retracement, if you are seeing another green candle as an engulfing, then we can't go up here, because we are seeing after many candles. But the condition is different for this trading setup. We have to see, or we have to get the opportunities very fast after 3-4 minutes, like here after this bullish engulfing, one continuation candle and suddenly a retracement candle, and immediately we can find our green confirmation candle. Then only we can take this one as our trading opportunity within the next 4-5 minutes. Like after seeing this green, we have to see the second engulfing immediately. If you are seeing like this, then we can't take this one as our trading opportunity. Okay, so I expect this is clear. And here we can see it's a bullish engulfing, right? It's a bullish engulfing. Here it's the first engulfing candle, and here also the second bullish engulfing candle. But we can't take here because we are seeing after so many buyers movement, so we can't consider this one as a trading opportunity. And also it's a bullish engulfing, it's a bearish retracement, but the retracement was a red color engulfing, so we can't consider this one as an engulfing, as a retracement candle, because we want a weak candle and then we have to see an engulfing. But here if I trade, then definitely I will place a call option, because it's near to the support area after a downtrend that I'm seeing. So it's a sign that the market is going to reverse, and also it's moving like this. It didn't break the break the trend line support. So if I trade, then definitely I will place a call option here. But if you are doubt because of this engulfing, you don't place a call option here. Maybe after discussing this one, some of you have doubts that then this one is an engulfing, then why you consider this? Okay, it's just look, it's only covered the first green candle, the second green candle. The first green engulfing is still there, but here the condition is different. Here only one green candle, and if there is another green here, and this candle covered this green, okay, and after if you are seeing a green candle, engulfing candle, then you can place a call option. But here only one green candle and the red candle completely covered that. But here the condition is different. Here two green candles, still our engulfing candle is here and it was unable to cover the red candle. So here we can't take. Okay, here the condition is different. So that's it. So I expect this example is also clear. This one is very simple strategy, and also you will get the opportunities very fast. And we can discuss another example. So here we can see that here we can take from here. Here it's a bullish engulfing candle and it's a continuation green candle and it's a bearish retracement candle, and this one was another green engulfing candle. So now it's clearly fulfill our condition. It's a double engulfing strategy. So in this candle that you can easily place a call option and that will be a winning trade. So I expect this is clear. Here after this bullish engulfing, directly a green continuation candle, and here there is no retracement red candle, and after that we can see a retracement candle and again another engulfing, then that was a breakout candle, and here we can place a call option and that will be a winning trade. And the main thing is these candles are forming from any of the round number support area. Okay, there is any round number or support area like this. You can see that here is some level, that's why it's continuously respecting this level. Then that also an extra advantage of this trading setup. You can confidently go with buyers. Okay, and just wait, and here we can see it's a confirmation green candle, right? If a confirmation candle close like here, if it directly close like here, then here we can see there is a resistance area. So in that situation also you have to avoid, okay, because it closed at the wrong area. So we know that from the resistance we can expect sellers entry, right? That's why here the sellers try to went down, but after hitting some levels it again go up. Okay, so if your confirmation candle close at any of the round number or any of the level, okay, then it's better to avoid that. That's it. Now I'm going to show you an error case. Okay, an error case. So, and before that I will show you something. So here it's a bearish engulfing candle and it's a continuation candle and it's a retracement green candle and again a red candle. But just see how this candle or where this candle close. It's not an engulfing, right? It's not an engulfing candle. So some people may chance to place put option if it almost near to the closing point, something like that. Don't use if it's exactly, I mean if the red candle close exactly at this point, then also you don't trade. Okay, we want an engulfing, we want a second engulfing candle, then only we can trade. So here we can see that it's a bearish engulfing and one retracement and another engulfing. So here we can place a put option and that will be a winning trade normally, but here it was a loss. It's only because just look at the closing point, it's closed exactly at the round number. And also in my opinion that if the candles are a clean shaved candles like this, you can see the top is clean shaved and here also it's a clean shaved. So in these kind of candle like that will chance to make some error or losses. So in my personal opinion, so if you are seeing these kind of engulfing candle, then it's better to avoid. But here the actual reason is the round number. Okay, because of the closing point. So from this round number the market start to went up. So if a confirmation candle, the round number is very important for this particular trading setup. If the confirmation candle close at any of the round number like this, then don't place a put option, don't go with sellers. Okay, that will be risky. And also if you are seeing clean shaved candle, clean shaved engulfing like this, then also it's better to avoid. Okay, so here that we can discuss another opportunity. Here it's a bullish engulfing and it's a continuation candle and after two retracement and it close inside again a green candle, So here you can see one error red candle, and after that we can place a call option here, and that will be a winning trade. So, and here we can see it already respected this round number, so that's why I am telling you that we can place a call option in this candle. It's already respected. After respecting 1 or 2 times, then you can take that when there is no problem. Okay, but here it's the first time and it closed exactly at that round number. And we can check there is another opportunity here. There is, yeah, here we can see it's a bullish engulfing, but you have to check that there is any gap up. Like if the gap up is very high like this, then it's better to avoid. But here we can see there is no problem, but the major problem is it's looking like a clean shaved candle. I told you that we are seeing clean shaved candles are making some error for this particular trading method. And also that you just check the closing point. Here it closed here there is a level. Okay, here there is a level, and we can see that it's respecting here and here. So you have to check the closing point. That's very important. Here it's a, okay, assume that it's a right trading setup. It's a bullish engulfing, again retracement, another engulfing. The problem is the closing point. So that's why here the sellers reverse at the market. So here it closed at the level, at the resistance. So that's why here we can see here also it's respecting, which means that level is working.